What's up, my people? I'm back in school, 2018, here at BYU, Idaho, and I'm in a mechatronics class. We're learning some pretty cool stuff, so I just wanted to show you a little bit. Our first assignment was to build this right here. Basically, all these components to light up these LEDs and make them flash back and forth. So I've never really done anything like this. I've always thought it was really cool. We had to kind of put everything in and solder it on the back, which is kind of like a miniature version of welding, which is part of what I do as well. And here's the battery power. I'll show you in a sec. So there's the assembly, and click the on button, and there it is. And I'll show you how I made this. Here we go. First, I had to get all the little pieces set up just right. Next, I had to solder all the little pieces in the right spot to create a circuit. Soldering is just using heat to melt that tiny little wire and make things stick in place. Once I got everything set in the right place, then I clipped the extra wires and got ready to plug it in and light it up. And that's how it's done.